Welcome back to the channel. Here to do a little review about the KIMO electrical ratchet that I bought. Haven't done anything with it yet, like my other video, like with the impact. But so far the casing is pretty okay. It's a bit soft. It's a bit really kind of soft. I have this plastics locks here, which I assume is going to give out anytime unexpectedly. Here we are. Comes with a manual, as you can see there. This is the tool itself. It's pretty top heavy, which makes sense, of course, because the balance will be in the batteries. It comes with two batteries, lithium batteries. This is 12 volts. You can see there. Use it. I'll be honest with you, I haven't used it yet. I only checked to see if it was working. The trigger is pretty nice. It's very firm. This is the lock. It's like if you put it away and the battery is in still. It have a LED light showing you the battery power. It's on green. I haven't charged it since I got it. Of course, you guys know I come with two batteries and a charger. It comes with some sockets also. We'll get to the sockets just now. Together, the battery and everything is feel pretty balanced. It's pretty decent. As you can see, it moves on trigger press. So the more you give, faster it goes. Forward and reverse. I haven't have spots to use it as yet. I had some times where I could have used it, but I didn't have it as yet. It was on its way. So yeah, the time for it to get used, it hasn't reached yet, but definitely do a video of it being used. Comes with an adapter. The sockets that it comes with is a 10mm 6 point. Fix the camera there. 10mm 6 point. Sockets feel pretty snug. Also with a 11mm. Camera to adjust there. And a 12mm. Also 6 point. Camera having trouble adjusting. Anyway, you can check it out in the reviews on Amazon. I hope I mentioned that. I got it from Amazon. It's a 14mm, a 15mm, and there's a 17mm. Yes, nothing much to say about the ratchet to say. I haven't used it as yet, as like I said, but definitely I'll give you guys a different review when I used it. Maybe I'll put this video with the other video of me using it and giving you the rest of my review about it. So until then, okay, so we are outside to the vehicle. We're gonna do a little taking out test so you guys can see the speed on it. This is my first time actually using it, so there we go. You can also crack it. I don't advise cracking any tight bolts with it. Everything here is like pre-loosened already, so just crack it with your regular ratchet and then you can use it to just remove the bolt. Pretty decent. Length of the bolts. It's not much threading. Let's try this one down here. Okay, so more threading. It's not bad, honestly. If I have to say, it's probably been still maybe on the second bolt with a ratchet. Send it back in. Okay, so it actually stops. It doesn't, you know, torque your wrist. It's actually good. Always hand tighten now. Okay, so that's it. You have this little LED light. Don't know if I mentioned that. I think yeah, there's a little LED light. So that concerns. Overall, I find the tool is not bad. It's pretty decent, especially with weight and everything. It's pretty decent. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos, anything requested about the tool itself, and I'll be happily make that for you.